This is a very, very urgent message that I'm getting, that I'm sensing, and this is the energy of someone, okay? Someone over here is feeling extremely scared, extremely burdened, extremely emotionally hurt because of one of your closest people, okay? They might have said something hurtful. Your relationship is going through a lot of stress, fights, and all that stuff. So you are possibly going through, like, you could just see this bird over here, okay? This bird is scared. This bird is feeling lost because of all the thunder, because of all the lightning and all that stuff, rain, and it's a lot of dark energy over here, okay? So this is your energy. Whoever is watching it, if it's coming up to you, your spirit guides are trying to give you some message, okay? So you are feeling a lot more scared, a lot more fearful. You are just feeling threatened. You are just feeling emotionally drained, exhausted. You just are feeling lost, okay? And this is not because of anything external. This is because of something internal, okay? Someone close to you, somebody close to your heart is hurting you a lot, okay? Emotionally, they are just causing a lot of damage to you. There are constant fights, there are constant arguments, there are just constant a lot of stuff going on, okay? You may resonate with it if it's the situation you are going through currently. The spirit guides are trying to tell you that they are there, okay? Just trust them, because this is your current situation. 10 of wands is your current situation, and we have champion of wands as the answer, as the guidance. Your spirit guides are trying to tell you, okay? This is not the time to feel scared. This is not the time to feel threatened. This is not the time to feel sad or anything, okay? You just need to realize your fire. You just need to realize the power within you, okay? Your spirit guides are trying to tell you that you just need to come into your power. You need to understand that you are way more powerful. You're way more you have a magical universe just within yourself, okay? You need to step into your power. This is the message they are trying to give you. You need to understand that you have a lot more strength within yourself, okay? As I've said it, it's triple two. It's a affirmation, okay? You just need to release your blocks. You need to release what is blocking your heart. You need to release what is blocking your energy. You need to just release whatever is limiting you, because you are a limitless being. Whoever is watching it, you just need to realize your power, okay? Whoever is making you feel scared or making you emotionally drained, you need to understand and take a stand for yourself. This is not the time to be scared. This is the time to realize your power, okay?